Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY, back for today's Just One Craft Project video. Today we're making these super cute mini pallet snowmen using these mini pallets and tumbling tower blocks from Dollar Tree, as well as a little bit of florals and some jingle bells and twine. So for each of my mini pallets, I need 4 tumbling tower blocks. These are going to be the brims of the snowmen's hats. So you can use the unpainted or the brown. I am painting them black on all of the sides except for this back side that is taped down. That will be glued to the pallets. Then taking our mini pallets, we're going to use that same black paint, and we are going to paint the top of each little plank on the pallet here to be the top of the snowman's hats. And I'm also painting black the spaces between the snowman's hats on the planks as well. Then we'll paint the rest of the mini pallets with white. These will be the snowman's bodies. Next, taking some more white paint on this chippy brush and dabbing it on the paper towel, I'm just going to add some white streaks, dry brush technique on the snowman's hats and also on the tumbling tower blocks. Next, I'm going to take this black fine point paint marker and draw the eyes on my snowman. Now, you're going to see here in a minute when I start gluing on the hat brims that it might have been a better idea to wait until after the hats were glued on before I did the eyes. But either way, you're going to leave a little bit of space and then draw 2 eyes for each of your snowmen. And next we'll add our little carrot noses with an orange paint marker as well. Next, using a little bit of hot glue, we're going to glue the tumbling tower blocks down to be the brims of the hats. This is where you're going to see they're going to cover some of the faces of snowmen on either side. So like I said, you could glue these on and then draw the faces on. That might be easier. But either way, I think it's super cute. Then taking our same black paint marker, we're just going to add 3 circle buttons on each of our snowmen. To add a little bit of texture and decoration at the bottom of our palette, I'm going to wrap some jute twine around 3 times and then knot it in the front. Next, I'm going to hot glue some tiny little pieces of a greenery, Christmas greenery from Walmart to some of the hats. I'm also going to add a few jingle bells to the snowman's hats as well. Lastly, I'm going to take a little bit of white puffy paint and add some snow looking drips to the tops of the snowmen's hats as well as the brims of their hats. I think this is a really cute addition. You could just do this with regular paint, but I think with the puffy paint, it makes it look a little more three-dimensional. And here are the finished mini palette snowmen. I think they're so cute with just few supplies. This would be a fun project to make with kids as well, or to make with some girlfriends. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and here are some more Christmas DIY videos that you can watch next. Thanks so much and take care.